Going out. Got 3 gladiator, 50 gold, get redeems in. Three gladiator, 50 gold. So Momnori. There you go. Gladiator, 50 gold, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arcane as well. That's on that. Available doing. Available clearing catch. We're getting the bonus points in there. It was a bonus point race of 756 players. So available with 427, clearing cat 426, and Monoro 424. GG's. And for the next one, that's on your general on 5 able. You had it. You already had it, but we'll get some going. Play. Exclamation mark play to join the race. Get your marble in here. Race is up. Time to get those marbles in. 1 minute on clock. Exclamation play game. I should have switched the track. We'll do it on the next one. Next battle. We've got then. Yeah, I'll go for the Revenant again. I've got a battle up. Let's get in the dungeon as well. 2.5 minutes left to place in the dungeon.